Hello everyone! Welcome to this tutorial about drawing your own cartoon stickers. If you always wanted to have a cartoony sticker of yourself to put in your Instagram stories or in your favorite messenger app, then you've come to the right place, because here we will cover how to create your own stickers from start to finish. We will start by sketching ourselves in a neutral emotion, and I will explain how to stylize the portrait, how to exaggerate some features, how to make it cartoony and appealing. Once we have our base neutral emotion, we can move on to sketching some other emotions. So we will sketch a few positive, neutral and negative emotions. And we will do that just by changing some of the features. So you don't have to draw every single portrait of yourself from scratch. Then we're gonna proceed to coloring, and I will show you all my tips and tricks, how I color my illustrations. I will show you all the brushes that I use, and I will also share all the tips and tricks that I use in my own drawings, how to add more interest, how to add more contrast to your drawings. After coloring our first neutral emotion, we're gonna color all the rest of the stickers, but I'll show you how to do it quickly to save time. And finally, I will show you how to create 3 more emotions just by adding some details, so it will literally take you a few minutes. In the end, you will have stickers of yourself that you can share in your Instagram stories and messengers, and I'm gonna explain to you how to export the files correctly, how to use them in your Instagram stories. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and create amazing stickers that will bring joy to you, your friends and your followers. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump right into the tutorial.